Hello friends! We're at Granada Hills Recreational Park today in Granada Hills, California. Where do you want to go now? Watch your step. Watch your step. You want to climb up to the slide? Ooh, I see a slide this way. What color is this slide?
Red.
Red slide. You need a countdown?
3, 2, 1.
Woo! These guys at the other park. It's a big old mouth. Big old mouth. Ah, big old mouth. It's got 2 big eyes. Yeah, I see. Oh look, a tunnel. Look, here's a tunnel. Nice comfy bench. To relax, somewhere to relax.
Hi.
Hi. Go back to the slide. Gotta go up the steps again. Climb all the way up. I can see the whole park from here. Look at that. Look at that. You wanna go down the slide?
Let's go back to the
Oh look, check this out. Look. Come here, Violet, look. It's an igloo. I think this is an igloo. This looks like ice. It looks like it's made out of ice. You gonna climb to the top?
top.
We're in the North Pole, aren't we? Or in the South Pole, one of the two.
Oh, I made it.
We made it to the top of this glade slide.
A slide.
Oh, that slide looks like it's closed. That's closed right there. They got it blocked off. Let's go this way. Look, here's a blue. 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah.
Bubbles? Where do you see bubbles? Oh, cool!
Okay.
My help.
Yeah? Let's see.
My help.
Yeah, you like the bubbles?
My help.
I think they ran out of bubbles. Let's check this out. Look, I see a spider web. There's more climbing and there's a spider web in the middle. That is so cool. Look at this. Look at this. This is gigantic. Make sure you're grabbing. Make sure you're grabbing. You got it? You got it. You got it.
Now.
Go, I'll follow you. Go. Woo. Yeah. Woo, look, there's a whole other playground over there. You want to check that one out? Watch your step. Woo. Around. Look at that. You gonna climb?
Yeah.
You climb the ladder?
Me too.
You got it? Right there. Good job. Right there. Good job. You got it. That's the front of the train. All aboard! Choo choo! Choo choo!
Wow, idea!
What do you see?
I see
Oh wow, these are windows.
a doggy.
You see a doggy? Choo choo! Watch out.
Sit down, okay.
Look, I see a slide. Look, all the way down there. Woo! Oh, here, look, look. Here's a double slide. You want to go down the double slide with me? All right, let's go. Oh, you're right. Oh, you're right. You're all right. Watch your step. Green slide. Woo! Mommy's turn. That's cool. Look at that. This is like one of those old time calculators. Oh, you okay? You pinched yourself? Yeah, we can count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another 7. Again?
We're up high.
Those? Okay, go ahead and count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Red,
I see red. And what else?
red,
Red.
red,
And how about that one?
yellow,
Yellow.
and yellow, yellow. Let's go back to play.
Let's go back.
To the other side.
Let's
Windy.
What do you want to play?
play slide.
The slides? Okay, sure.
Let's go to the swing.
Mommy.
This swing's too small for me,
Hey, you sit down on the swing.
but it's the perfect size for you. Go.
Anyway, this is great.